You are having 1 minus cos x in the numerator, which is nothing but can be written as in the form of 2 sine square x by 2. I hope you understood this one, because integral of cos alpha is a constant. I am going to bring outside the integral. 1 into dx integral is nothing but x. You know 1 can be written as sine squared theta plus cos squared theta. But here in terms of x, so that I am writing sine squared x plus cos squared x. Hello dear students, a warm welcome to one and all. My name is Vibha, Department of Mathematics, Vidhyaashram, Pre-University College, Mysuru. So in the last session, we have learnt many problems on trigonometric identities. And dear students, today's session number 5, you are going to have chapter number 7, which is called integrals of your second PUC mathematics. We are going to have the topic here, integration using trigonometric identities. So some more problems will be solving on this method. Now we'll be moving on to the problem, dear students. Integrate sine 4x into sine 8x. Now dears, this is according to the formula sine A into sine B. What is sine A into sine B? Half cos of A minus B minus cos of A plus B. Now according to this formula, if you expand this one, taking A as 4x and B as 8x, you are going to get the answer will be integrate. First I am going to write it this symbolically, sine 4x into sine 8x into dx. So which implies that, so this is according to the formula. If I am going to write it, half into integral of cos of 4x minus 8x minus cos of 4x plus 8x into dx, right? Now dear students, you know cos of minus theta is plus cos theta. Accordingly, first simplify this. Half can be taken to outside, it is a constant. Cos of 4x minus 8x is minus 4x minus cos of 4x plus 8x is nothing but 12x into dx. Now therefore, cos of minus theta is plus cos theta, half into, separating the integral as well, cos 4x into dx minus integral of cos 12x into dx. Now this will be equal to, half will be multiplied for both. Therefore, we are going to have the answer half into integral of cos 4x is sine 4x divided by 4 coefficient of x, again minus, you are having cos 12x integration is sine 12x divided by coefficient of x is 12 plus c. And this is your final answer you are going to have for that question. I hope you got this one by having a trigonometric identity formula. Now we'll be moving on to the next question, dears. Integrate 1 minus cos x divided by 1 plus cos x. Here, you are having 1 minus cos x in the numerator, which is nothing but can be written as in the form of 2 sine square x by 2. And then 1 plus cos x is nothing but 2 cos square x by 2. Using that formula, dear students, remember these formula, 1 minus cos x can be written as 2 sine squared x by 2. And 1 plus cos x is nothing but 2 cos squared x by 2. This we are going to have the formula from cos 2x only. Okay. So this is in terms of sine and this is in terms of cos you are having. Now writing that symbolically, 1 minus cos x divided by 1 plus cos x into dx can be written as, this will be equal to 2 sine squared x by 2 divided by 2 cos squared x by 2, substituting in the form of that into dx, 2 will get cancelled. You are having integral of sine squared x by 2 divided by cos squared x by 2. What is sine by cos? It is nothing but tan. Therefore, writing accordingly as tan squared x by 2 into dx. Now, you do not have direct integration for tan squared, but you are having for secant squared integration. Always secant squared theta integration is tan theta. Therefore, reducing to the form of that, you know already 1 plus tan squared theta is equal to secant squared theta. Otherwise, secant squared theta minus 1 can be written as tan squared theta. Otherwise, tan squared theta can be written in the form of secant squared theta minus 1. Now, theta replaces here x by 2. Therefore, writing accordingly to the form of that, integral of this is nothing but secant squared x by 2 minus 1 into dx. Now, separating this integral, you are getting integral of secant squared x by 2 into dx minus integral of 1 into dx. Therefore, you are getting the answer secant squared x by 2 integration is nothing but tan x by 2 divided by coefficient of x by 2 is 1 by 2. You are getting coefficient of x is nothing but here 1 by 2 you are getting. So, divided by 1 by 2. In the differentiation it will be multiplied, in the integration it is divided. So, therefore, this will be is equal to tan x by 2, coefficient of x is divided, which is 1 by 2 minus x plus c. Otherwise, if you still simplify this one, you can have 2 tan x by 2 minus x plus c. And dear students, and this is your final answer you are getting. I hope you got this one. Now, we'll be moving on to the next problem. Integrate cos x divided by 1 plus cos x. Dears, if you are having in the case of a last, what we have solved, we would have substituted 1 plus cos x as is nothing but 2 cos squared x by 2. Therefore, if you substitute there 1 plus cos x, 2 cos squared x by 2, what I can substitute as cos x? I can substitute in the form of what? Cos squared x by 2 minus sin squared x by 2, or in the form of cos only. So, here what I am going to do for the simplification of the denominator, I am going to do numerator as adding and subtracting 1. If I am going to add and subtract 1 to the numerator, integral of cos x, and here I am having plus 1 and minus 1 divided by 1 plus cos x. Now, dear students, I am going to segregate this one. See, integral of cos x plus 1 or 1 plus cos x, both are same, correct? 1 plus cos x into dx minus integral of 1 divided by 1 plus cos x into dx. Now, see, adding and subtracting 1, it will be arriving this step. So, therefore, you can cancel this. You are going to remain with integral of 1 into dx minus, dear students, you can observe this one, 1 plus cos x, as we know now, you can write it as 2 cos squared x by 2. Therefore, writing 1 plus cos x as 2 cos squared x by 2 into dx. So, you are getting 1 into dx integral is nothing but x minus integral of, so you are having 1 by 2 can be taken outside, 1 by 2 into 1 by cos squared is nothing but secant squared x by 2. As we know, you know how to simplify the secant squared x by 2 plus c1 as I have integrated that. So, x minus 1 by 2 into secant squared x by 2 is nothing but tan x by 2 divided by 1 by 2 plus c1 plus c2. Otherwise, you can have, which implies x minus this half will get cancelled, tan x by 2 plus c, where c is nothing but c1 plus c2. That's it, yes. I hope you got this one. Otherwise, finally you can, without this c1, finally you can integrate this one after writing this step as writing here only integral of 1 into dx. I hope you understood this step. Now, we'll be moving on to the next problem. Integrate sine power 4x. So, therefore, we are writing as like, see, integral of sine power 4x, but directly you do not the solution to integrate. So, what I am going to do, I am going to simplify this. Okay. How I am going to simplify this? I am going to write it as integral of sine squared x whole squared. Okay. Anyway, sine squared x whole squared gives you sine to the power of 4 only. Now, here I am writing this sine squared x as is nothing but integral of, see, you are having sine squared x in the form of cos. You know already cos 2 theta can be written in the form of 1 minus 2 sine squared theta. Now, here 2 sine squared theta taking to this side, you are taking 1 minus cos 2 theta to that side. Otherwise, sine squared theta can be written as 1 minus cos 2 theta divided by 2. So, therefore, theta replaces here x, writing in the form of that 1 minus sine squared x can be written as 1 minus cos 2x divided by 2 whole squared, because you are having here whole squared. This sine squared only I am writing in the form of this. Now here 1 by 2 is nothing but 1 by 4 you can take outside the integral. So therefore, which implies that 1 by 4 into integral of here 1 minus cos 2x whole squared. Now what is 1 minus cos 2x whole squared into dx? So here you can expand this one according to a minus b whole squared formula. Expanding that you are getting, which implies integral of 1 squared plus cos squared 2x minus 2 into 1 into cos 2x into dx, right? Dear students, I am separating this integral. So therefore, integral of 1 into dx, 1 squared is only, plus integral of cos squared 2x into dx minus 2 is a constant I can remove outside the integral, integral of cos 2x into dx. Here I can write cos squared 2x in the form of what? You know already cos 2 theta can be written in the form of 2 cos squared theta minus 1. Otherwise, cos squared theta can be written as 1 plus cos 2 theta divided by 2. Remember this formula, dear students. Theta replaces here 2x. Therefore, writing accordingly 1 into dx integral as it is, plus this I am writing cos squared theta. Cos squared theta is integral of 1 plus cos 2 theta 2 into 2x divided by 2 into dx minus 2 into integral of cos 2x into dx. So therefore here integrating this separately taking, you are getting 1 into dx is x plus 1 by 2 into 1 into dx, which is nothing but 1 by 2 into x, plus cos 4x integration is nothing but sin 4x divided by 4 minus 2 into cos 2x integration is nothing but sin 2x divided by 2 plus c, and this is your final answer. You are going to get it. I hope you understood this one. 1 by 2 into dx, which is 1 by 2 into x. Integral of 1 into dx is nothing but x, dear students. Now here cos 2 into 2x is nothing but cos 4x. Cos 4x integration is sin 4x divided by 4. I hope you understood that step. Now we'll be moving on to the next problem, dears. What they've asked, integral of cos power 4 2x. Now here also same I am writing. This I can write it as cos to the power of 4 as cos squared 2x whole squared. Now you know already cos squared, just now we have done the formula. Cos squared theta can be written as 1 plus cos 2 theta divided by 2. Please dear students remember this formula. Now dear students, here theta replaces 2x. Therefore you can have integral of cos squared as 1 plus cos 2 theta divided by 2 whole squared, right? Again separating this one, 1 by 4 will be outside, integral of 1 plus cos 4x whole squared into dx. Don't forget to write the dx to your students after writing the simple. Now which will be is equal to 1 by 4 into, now separate this integral, integral of 1 squared plus cos squared 4x plus 2 cos 4x into dx. Now again separating this integral, we are getting, which implies 1 by 4 into integral of 1 into dx plus integral of cos squared 4x into dx plus integral of 2 will be outside, cos 4x into dx. Again this is in the form of this only. Now again writing 1 by 4 into, close the bracket because 1 by 4 will be multiplied throughout, integral of 1 into dx plus again this will be written in the form of 1 plus cos 2 theta will be 4x divided by 2 into dx plus 2 into integral of cos 4x into dx. 1 by 4 will be multiplied throughout. Now this will become 1 by 4 into integral of 1 into dx plus 1 by 2 into integral of 1 into dx plus 1 by 2 into integral of cos 8x into dx plus 2 into integral of cos 4x into dx. I hope you got this one. Now 2 will be multiplied inside, that will become 8x. So therefore, you are having 1 by 4 into integral of 1 into dx is nothing but x plus 1 by 2 into x plus 1 by 2 into integral of cos 8x is sin 8x divided by 8 plus 2 into integral of cos 4x is sin 4x divided by 4 plus c. And this is your final answer. You are going to get it. You can multiply 1 by 4. It will become x by 4, that is x by 8. Again 8 2s are 16, 16 4s are 64. Again you are having, which will become sin, again here of 2 2s are will get cancelled. Therefore 4 2s are 8, sin 4x divided by 8 plus c, your final answer. Now dear students, what they have asked the next problem. Sin squared x divided by 1 plus cos x. So here, if you write it denominator 1 plus cos x in the form of 2 cos squared x by 2. How we are going to write it sin squared x in terms of? We know that sin squared x plus cos squared x is equals to 1. Therefore, sin squared x can be written as 1 minus cos squared x. Writing accordingly, we are going to have symbolically integral of sin squared x as it is. I am writing first symbolically, and then further you can have the simplification. Integral of sin squared x, I am writing it as 1 minus cos squared x divided by denominator as it is 1 plus cos x into dx, which implies 1 minus cos squared x. This can be written as integral of 1 squared minus cos squared, which is in the form of a squared minus b squared. A squared minus b squared is a minus b into a plus b. Therefore, we can have 1 minus cos x into 1 plus cos x divided by 1 plus cos x into dx. Now 1 plus cos x will go. You are remaining with integral of 1 minus cos x into dx as the numerator, which implies integral of 1 into dx minus integral of cos x into dx. So therefore, you can have 1 into dx is x minus integral of cos x is nothing but sin x plus c. And this is your final answer you are going to get after simplification. I hope you got this one. Now we'll be moving on to the next problem. What they've asked, cos 2x minus cos 2 alpha divided by cos x minus cos alpha. So here I am writing cos 2x in the form of what? You know already, cos 2x, since all it is in terms of cos, I am going to bring all in terms of cos itself. Cos 2x can be written as 2 cos squared x minus 1. Similarly, cos 2 alpha can be written as 2 cos squared alpha minus 1. Accordingly, integral of, first write it symbolically, cos 2x minus cos 2 alpha divided by cos x minus cos alpha into dx, which implies that integral of cos 2x is 2 cos squared x minus 1, again minus 2 cos squared alpha minus 1 divided by cos x minus cos alpha into dx. Now here you can have 2 numerator 2 cos squared x minus 1, multiply minus n inside, minus 2 cos squared alpha minus into minus plus 1 divided by cos x minus cos alpha into dx. Dear students, you can observe in the numerator plus 1 minus 1 will get cancelled. Now you can take 2 common factor from the numerator. If you take 2 common factor from the numerator, you are getting 2 into cos squared x minus here cos squared alpha, correct? Divided by denominator cos x minus cos alpha. You can have again 2 as in the outside the integral. This is according to a squared minus b squared, which is a plus b into a minus b. A replaces cos x, b replaces cos alpha. So a plus b into a minus b, cos x minus cos alpha divided by cos x minus cos alpha. Now this 2 will get cancelled. Remaining is into dx, which implies 2 into integral of cos x plus cos alpha into dx. Now separating this integral, 2 into integral of cos x into dx plus integral of cos alpha into dx. You know, dear students, cos alpha is nothing but alpha is an angle which is a constant. Therefore, you can have here 2 into integral of cos x is sin x plus integral of cos alpha, as it is I am writing, into x plus c. I hope you understood this one, because integral of cos alpha is a constant. I am going to bring outside the integral. 1 into dx integral is nothing but x, and that is your final answer. Okay, dear students, they have asked integrate cos x minus sin x divided by 1 plus sin 2x. Writing accordingly the numerator as, now dear students, you are having integrate cos x minus sin x divided by 1 plus sin 2x. Now cos x minus sin x, as it is I am writing cos x minus sin x. First let us write this symbolically, 1 plus sin 2x into dx. Now this will become integral of numerator, as it is I am going to write it ds. Denominator, this 1, you know 1 can be written as sin squared theta plus cos squared theta. But here in terms of x, so that I am writing sin squared x plus cos squared x. This 1 I am writing as sin squared x plus cos squared x plus remaining is sin 2x. Now you know sin 2x can be written as 2 sin x into cos x. Therefore, replacing this one as 2 sin x into cos x, you are having cos x minus sin x divided by sin squared x plus cos squared x plus 2 sin x into cos x, correct, into cos x into dx. Don't forget to write dx ds. Now you are having cos x minus numerator, as it is I am writing cos x minus sin x, and denominator which is in the form of sin squared x plus cos squared x plus 2 sin x into cos x, a squared plus b squared plus 2ab. What is a squared plus b squared plus 2ab? A plus b whole squared, which is a plus b whole squared into dx. I hope you got this one. Now dears, I am going to substitute now the denominator so that I will be getting the numerator. What is the denominator? Denominator as sin x plus cos x is equal to t. Now differentiate this with respect to x. If you differentiate this with respect to x, sin x differentiation will become cos x. Again, cos x differentiation will become minus sin x. So minus sin x is equal to dt by dx. Taking dx to this side, you are getting cos x minus sin x into dx is equal to dt. Now substituting cos x minus sin x into dx as dt, which implies that integral of cos x minus sin x into dx as dt divided by this as t squared, because whole squared you are having, which implies that integral of t to the power of minus 2 into dt, correct? So what is integral of t to the power of minus 2 into dt, which implies that t to the power of minus 2 plus 1 divided by minus 2 plus 1 plus c, which implies that t to the power of minus 1 divided by minus 1 plus c. Otherwise, you can have minus 1 by t plus c. Or you can substitute to t there, minus 1 by t we have substituted sin x plus cos x, minus 1 by sin x plus cos x plus c, and this is your final answer you are going to get after simplification by substitution method as well as by the formula of a plus b whole squared. So okay dear students, I hope you understood these problems how to solve by trigonometric identities. In the next session, we'll be moving on to some more problems based on this trigonometric identities only to get more clear about the steps and the problems. Keep watching. Have a nice day.